What month are we in? This is the month that we eat turkey. What? November. We're in the month of November. So what is today's date? What is today's date? What is today's date?
9.
Today is the 9th.
Yeah, the 9th.
So I'm going to write 9, but you all are going to circle 9 on yours. So you're going to circle your 9. 9. Circle, Kennedy. November. Circle. Hurry, what's the number? You don't know? Okay. Circle 9.
Quit. I quit. No, that's not right.
Put it over there.
It's Renee.
So we're in the year of 2020. The number 9 is a odd number. O-D.
Yeah.
That's not how you spell odd, sir.
I don't know. Okay.
Excuse me. Hold up. I say listen here. Okay. Listen. Odd. O-D. D. Thank you. Odd. So, Kenneth, what is the weather like outside? What is it? Is it sunny? Is it raining?
It's sunny.
Sunny?
Again.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. I have an assistant this morning, but you know when Miss Alexis circles, she likes her circle to be done correctly. You know I want my circle, my open circle.
Today's no day.
Wait, hold up.
Today's no day. It's
It's
Meganite.
sunny. Open.
It's
Come right back.
Meganite.
Okay, so now the season is what? What season are we in?
Fall.
Fall. Thank you. The season is fall.
Oh, yeah. The fall stuff going
Yes.
million days.
Yes, the season is fall. Have a seat for me. The season is fall.
It's
The
windy.
temperature outside is what? What is the temperature? Is it warm? Is it hot? Is it cool? Is it cold?
Wait.
It's hot?
Yeah. I know it's hot. This is not the right answer. Today's windy.
It's not windy outside. There's no wind blowing, sir.
You say hot?
Look. Yeah. The wolf is blowing.
It's not blowing.
The wolf is blowing.
So my string has locked up on me. Let's see.
Oh,
Let's see.
oh no,
We're
no.
going through a little technical difficulties, but it's okay.
Not with my hand.
Let's see. So it is. Let's see. It is hot.
Where?
Huh? Yes, it is hot. Thank you.
guess.
So now, so Kenneth, what is something that we can wear today? What kind of clothes can we wear? Pants. Good job.
Shirt.
So we can wear pants.
Shirt.
Kevin, what else can we wear?
Shirt. I wear shirt.
What you saying? What can we wear? What else can we wear?
I wear
A jacket. You wore a jacket today? Okay. It might have been cool this morning, so he wore a jacket and we wore a shirt. Kennedy, what else can we wear? Shorts. Thank you, Daniel. Shorts. So,
Weather.
okay. So now, can somebody tell me what? Wait, hold up.
Sunday.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
What is
Just give me a second. Let me ask the question first. We have to ask the question because we have to make sure everybody's on the same page. Can somebody tell me what yesterday was? Because the Saints played yesterday and they won. Woohoo! Can somebody? My helper is jumping me. He's jumping before I'm ready. Can you pull your mask up, please? My helper is not listening. He's not putting on his listening ears. Yes, I need to put on your listening ears. Yes, listen. So yesterday was Sunday and the Saints won. So if yesterday was Sunday, what is today, Kevin? If yesterday was Sunday, what is today? Monday. Good job, Daniel. Today is Monday. So if yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday. What is tomorrow going to be? tomorrow?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday.
When
Remember, Tuesday's a proper noun. We always capitalize it. So, kindergarten, how many days have you been in school? 54. 54, 5 and a 4.
Yeah, 54.
And first grade, you've been in school 58. Can you write a 5 and an 8, please? Take your time. Slow down. 5 and an 8. No. We're going to do a better 8 than that. If you're going to help me, you have to do it correctly.
5.
Wait. I told you listen here.
50.
Yeah.
50. And then I'm going to write a
Okay.
4.
You can make an 8 like that, or we're going to do it Miss Alexa's way.
Yep. That's 54.
Or you can take and do a circle, and then come back around and do another circle. There we go. An 8. So 58. That's how many days first through fourth grade has been in school. So we said today was an odd day, right?
Yeah.
O,
D,
and D. So we have a new student today. His name is Kenneth. And some of you may not know him, but I know him. We introduced him. So instead of having 11 kids in our piggy bank, now we have 12. One and it's thank you, Kevin. Yay, welcome Kenneth. So now we have 12. So now we have to change that 11 to 12. Exactly. Good job. So what are we going to do with our base 10? How many of these we going to color? How many? We're not going to do any base 10. We're going to do single ones. 1. Count with me. 2. 3. Count with me. 4. That's not right. 4. So then it should be 5. 5. So then it should be 6. 7. Kennedy, I can't hear you. 8. 9. And that's 9 for how many days we in? We in November. This is the 9th day.
Yeah, the 9th day.
How do we spell 9? N-I-N-E. Today is the 9th day of November.
Yeah, the 9th.
Parents, don't forget to send in the pictures. I look forward to seeing them. Until next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you later.